arrest warrant for Myanmar military general Min Aung Hlaing was requested by the International Criminal Court. ICC Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan made the announcement on November 27th.
My office has been investigating alleged crimes committed during the 2016 and 2017 waves of violence in Rakhine State, Myanmar, and the subsequent exodus of Rohingya from Myanmar into Bangladesh. After an extensive investigation and careful review of the evidence collected, my office has concluded that there are reasonable grounds to believe that Senior General and Acting President Min Aung Hlaing, Commander-in-Chief of the Myanmar Defence Services, bears criminal responsibility for the crimes against humanity of deportation and persecution of the Rohingya committed in Myanmar and in part of Bangladesh between the 25th of August 2017 and the 31st of December 2017 by members of the Armed Forces of Myanmar.
News of the ICC arrest warrant request was welcomed by the Burmese Rohingya organization UK.
For many decades, this is the Min Aung Hlaing who ordered to kill thousands of Rohingya people, who ordered to burn down more than 390 villages of Rohingya in 2017. Min Aung Hlaing, who is the person who ordered to rape thousands of Rohingya women. So this is what justice. We Rohingya people want justice. We want to bring him to justice. So this is one of the very positive steps from the ICC prosecutor.
Burma Campaign UK commended Khan for his decision to request an ICC arrest warrant for Min Aung Hlaing.
It is limited to the crime of deportation because that is the only jurisdiction, the only crime that is they are able to pursue in this case. However, there is a case of genocide being looked at the International Court of Justice, which was brought by the Gambia some years ago. So there are other legal cases that are going ahead. There's also another case relating to Rohingya that has been brought in Argentina under the rules of universal jurisdiction. And again, we're waiting to see if arrest warrants will be granted in that case as well. So there are different mechanisms of justice that are being pursued, which, although move very slowly and are long overdue, are very welcome. And they will certainly be sending shockwaves and making the generals very nervous.
Besides committing alleged crimes against the Rohingya, Min Aung Hlaing is responsible for the February 1st, 2021 military coup. He ousted the democratically elected government of Aung San Suu Kyi and replaced it with a regime led by himself. Min Aung Hlaing then jailed Suu Kyi and President Win Myint. They've been held for almost 4 years in prison. Members of the National League for Democracy government were either arrested, killed, or went into hiding or exile. Over 5,000 people in Myanmar have been killed by pro-military forces since the 2021 coup. This is according to the Assistance Association of Political Prisoners.
But I wanted to say a few words directly to you, the people of Myanmar, the Rohingya community that have been walking shoulder to shoulder with us, that have been sharing your stories, helping us collect and verify evidence, that you're not an afterthought, you're right at the center of everything we do. The team has been on the ground almost continuously, scores and scores of missions here in Bangladesh and around the world, collecting evidence, building partnerships, whether it's with you, with civil society, working with Bangladesh, or whether it's with the United Nations Independent Investigative Mechanism for Myanmar. We have to present truthful, reliable evidence, investigate incriminating and exonerating evidence equally.
Khan added that more ICC arrest warrant requests will soon follow. He wants to prosecute all Myanmar officials responsible for alleged crimes against the Rohingya. For DVB English News, I'm Nora.